Mr. Lynch, Lives, non benai. Vabbè. Good morning, Mr. Minister Simply, Mr. Minister Simply, 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 not it's December 18, 2025, it's a Tuesday, in Naples, totally cloudy, yes, once again, totally cloudy, scattered Sfiangena. This is practically third consecutive musica, yes. Il source seems to stand at least an attimo, it's really after 13 and 15, 49, 6, 26 variety 17 Celsius, and this means this really soft techniques, soft gadget to use for the order to spring obedience supports the RSU is because the effect Janet and 4 years last January 17 so that really overcome 4 years with the reports the last of the summer perhaps someone remember following me last something body so that manu who enter new in fact now also for the autumn in fact now also for the autumn and 4 years with the reports top not for the seasons the winter spring and that is the years in pratica internet it will be winter so for the winter will begin 4 years with the reports as perhaps someone remember 5 years sono borgo ci suppose di I'm sure trovare sia delle singole soluzioni adesso si è mezzo un proposa perché ti piace tutto cioè io si aspetta non per sparare così tutto per me e lì devo studiare intero wisho so di interspring esame si fa che lo winter su aggettivi cold for spring one thing aggettivi soft for summer aggettivi hot sono tutte in genere for the season to be questi aggettivi secondo di se ti serve questa figura fiutata absolutely incomplete but surely for this video consider two reasons two aspects of two reasons for the first reason consists in passage from summer to the autumn second one most important as the finity change the temperature decrease up and many seconds which now the air it's completely changed and it's completely pleasant the scenario air completely changed it's completely pleasant if not pleasant surely liquid in the air meaning same temperature decrease so some all these things make the conditions which not completely pleasant very really liquid yes at least this news I don't feel cold like the other people when I come in the winter experience thing because I really experienced this thing in fact in the past winter in winter weather reports of the past years so also nel coming is winter experience this thing in fact non for the più non li think not because feel cold non li think yes or no this depends ovvero in general for me also in stia the matter scatto sotto in general I think I can say something is just for this really bad system so can be some things so this Gridi F, finché a 30 secondi, si ripete se ci si figura, si che si fare in 17 Celsius. Important thing, the atmosphere, se ti vedi. Se fuori di